Somalia has increased its push for broad reforms at the United Nations, using a high-level diplomatic gathering in Nairobi to advocate for more African representation on the UN Security Council. Foreign Minister Abdisalan Abdi Ali was among African diplomats who attended a ministerial meeting on Security Council reform during the Africa Forward Summit. The minister reaffirmed Mogadishu's support for restructuring what many countries describe as an outdated global power system. At the center of Somalia's message was a growing demand shared by many African nations that the continent must have a stronger and more permanent voices in decisions affecting international peace and security. For decades, African leaders have urged that the current structure of the United Nations Security Council no longer reflects modern geopolitical realities. Despite Africa making up more than a quarter of UN member states, the continent still lacks permanent representation on the Council. The body's 5 permanent members, the United States, Russia, China, France, and the United Kingdom, continue to hold veto powers established after the Second World War. Critics say that system leaves developing nations, particularly in Africa, excluded from major global decisions, even when many of the Council's decisions center on African conflicts, peacekeeping missions, and humanitarian crises. Somalia's position aligns closely with the African Union-backed African Union proposal known as the Izulwini Consensus. The framework calls for at least 2 permanent African seats on the Security Council, complete with veto powers, alongside additional non-permanent seats for the continent. Speaking during the meeting in Nairobi, Minister Abdisalam described the reforms as both a diplomatic necessity and a matter of fairness. He urged that African nations should no longer remain on the sidelines while critical decisions about their security, political stability, and economic future are made elsewhere. Ambassador Abdulle echoed those concerns, saying a more representative Security Council will improve the international community's ability to respond to growing global challenges, including terrorism, armed conflict, food insecurity, and climate-related instability. The discussions come as momentum slowly builds around broader UN reform efforts ahead of the upcoming Summit of the Future, where member states are expected to debate changes to international governance structure. Although Security Council reforms has been debated for years with limited progress, analysts say pressure from African countries and blocs such as the G77 is becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. For Somalia, the message from Nairobi was clear. Africa wants a stronger seat at the global table, and Mogadishu intends to remain part of that campaign. Muhammad Saido, that's in English.